B&H show you. European baking is a vast and delicious world, a tapestry woven from centuries of tradition, innovation, and regional pride, from the delicate pastries of France to the hearty, dense loaves of Germany. Each country offers a unique perspective on the art of combining flour, sugar, butter, and yeast. While we often group them under the single banner of European baking, the differences between these styles are as pronounced as the languages spoken across the continent. It's a journey through history and culture, told through the medium of golden brown crusts and sweet, creamy fillings. Understanding these distinctions not only deepens our appreciation for each creation but also reveals the soul of the places they come from. At the heart of French baking lies an unwavering dedication to precision and elegance. This is the land of patisserie, where baking is elevated to a high art form. The key here is lamination, the painstaking process of folding butter into dough to create hundreds of whisper-thin layers. This technique is the secret behind the flaky, airy texture of a perfect croissant or a pain au chocolat. French bakers are masters of delicate batters and creams. Think of the light as choux pastry used for eclairs and profiteroles, or the rich, smooth crème pâtissière that fills them. Desserts like the multi-layered opera cake or the intricate macaron demonstrate a focus on aesthetic beauty and complex, balanced flavors. It's a style defined by refinement, technical skill, and the pursuit of perfection in every single bite. Venturing into Italy, the philosophy shifts from technical precision to a more rustic, heartfelt approach. Italian baking, or pasticceria, is often simpler, focusing on high-quality, fresh ingredients and flavors that speak of sunshine and tradition. Olive oil frequently replaces butter, lending a distinctive fruitiness to cakes and biscuits. Nuts, especially almonds and pistachios, are staples, as seen in crunchy biscotti, which are twice baked for a perfect dipping texture, or the soft, chewy almond-based amaretti. Italian desserts are often less about intricate layers and more about celebrating a single-star ingredient. Consider the tiramisu, a masterclass in simplicity where coffee, mascarpone, and cocoa powder unite in perfect harmony, or the panettone, a sweet, enriched bread studded with candied fruit that has become a symbol of holiday celebration. Italian baking feels like a warm hug, comforting, generous, and deeply satisfying. Travel north to Germany and Austria, and you'll find a baking culture built on substance and richness. This region is famous for its dense, dark breads, particularly rye bread, which has a complex, earthy flavor that stands up well to hearty meats and cheeses. But their sweet offerings are just as impressive. German and Austrian cakes are often substantial and intensely flavored, featuring layers of rich chocolate, nuts, and fruit. The iconic Black Forest cake, or Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte, is a perfect example, with its layers of chocolate sponge, whipped cream, and sour cherries soaked in kirsch. Austria's Sachertorte is another legend. A dense chocolate cake with a thin layer of apricot jam, all enrobed in a dark chocolate glaze. This style is less about airy lightness and more about deep, decadent flavors and satisfying textures, often incorporating spices like cinnamon and nutmeg to create a feeling of warmth and comfort. Finally, we arrive in Great Britain, where baking is synonymous with comfort, afternoon tea, and classic homestyle treats. British baking is practical and unpretentious, but no less delicious. The sponge cake is a cornerstone, serving as the base for countless variations like the beloved Victoria sponge, a simple yet elegant cake filled with jam and cream. Scones are another quintessential British bake, perfect when served warm with clotted cream and strawberry jam. The British also excel at puddings, a broad category that can include everything from steamed cakes to creamy trifles layered with sponge, fruit, custard, and jelly. Pastries tend to be robust, like the short crust used for savory pies or sweet fruit tarts. It's a style that evokes a sense of nostalgia and domestic bliss, focused on simple pleasures and time-honored recipes passed down through generations. From the technical artistry of France to the rustic charm of Italy, the hearty richness of Germany, and the comforting classics of Britain, European baking offers an incredible diversity of flavors and styles. Each tradition is a reflection of its unique history, climate, and culture, a story told through the simple ingredients that come together to create something truly magical. Exploring these differences allows us to travel across the continent one bite at a time, appreciating not just the final product, but the distinct philosophy and passion baked into every loaf, pastry, and cake.